Hey guys, I'm back and today we'll be doing a video and since I have these headphones on so you guys can hear the crunching and stuff. I think you'll be able to hear it. I'm not 100% sure. I'll find out when I do watch the video. I have the light on behind me because you can't I have the light on behind me because I have I'm using my feet to stand this up, but yeah. I have this light on back there only because you guys won't be able to see the takis, but I rolled the bag over it, so I don't know if you guys can see the takis, but there's some in there. We have to record this stuff because there's going to see that. But I'm not going to be keeping count. Excuse me. So you can comment below. So I am going to eat my first one so far. There's a lot of lime on that one. And by the way, you might hear the TV in the background, but by the way, some fees are coming in on all sides, and I have another tooth that's trying to pursue my gums, and it also hurts. So I'm gonna try to avoid that. So yeah. Mm. Mm. Yeah. But again, I don't know if you can hear me better with these on or my crunching better. I don't even know if they're hooked up. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting more equipment for these videos. I just don't know when, because my parents don't have the money right now. So yeah. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm holding this with my feet, but I'm obviously. Oh no! Yeah, I don't know how to prop this up. I honestly don't. Maybe I should just do that. Maybe. Ah, I don't know. Sorry, you see the blanket, but mm, there we go. Hi, Bella. Sorry, my dog's coming in. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, she loves Ducky. Oh, you want to say hi? This is her. You want to talk to? Here. I'm not sure if she'll eat it. Yeah, she's not that hungry this morning. I don't know why, but I'll feed her later on. She is half purple. Then I have my pug sleeping down here. Two of my pets. Um, the other two are in my room. Then the other two are out in the living room doing something. I don't know what they're doing, but two in almost each place technically. Okay. I'm not sure she'll eat it. I'm gonna try to see if she'll eat it. Bella, 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 here. Come on, you eat hot Cheetos all the time. Okay. Well, she's actually a really big fan of spicy things. I'm just not quite sure she's not hungry this morning. Gonna eat it? No, she's not right now. But it's fun. I don't know what I'm watching. I really don't. I'm doing a lot more talking than reading. Just noticed that. Oh, shit, God. These are actually really good. I don't want to make the video too long of this. Because last attempt I did full 3 minutes of talking or something. 2, 3 minutes, I don't know. Does anyone else do their teeth like this? Or their peace sign? I don't do it like this. I do it like this. I don't know why. This is my mom's nightgown, by the way. I'm just wearing it. This is what I slept in. And she slept in her other nightgown. But yeah. Again, I don't have a drink. I'm just drying my mouth out. So, my mouth doesn't water as much eating these. Because they're actually not even that spicy, but I need a drink right now. And I don't feel like getting up. Oh. And I hate to play videos. Oh my god. I hate to play music in my videos because I don't want to get copyrighted because my cousin got copyrighted. And I don't want that to happen to me. So. I forgot what video he got copyrighted on, but he had to delete that video or just, but ow, that burnt my throat. Some stomach acid came up. It hurts. It hurts. Oh, I've had that game before. Okay, so it's the I don't want to get to know guys, but ad on TV. I don't know what my dog's doing. Well, I can see her and you know what I mean. I need to turn the TV down some more. You know what? I'm just gonna mute it. How done? Bella, Bella, here, eat it. No, fine. I know you guys think I'm forcing her to eat these. I'm not. She just eats them when she wants to, randomly. So I'm just trying to give her a little chance. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this thing commercial. I don't even know what it is. Oh, yeah, I'm right there. Excuse me. My mom's actually not home right now. My brother is, though. He's babysitting me. Yo, I'm a tween. I don't need to be babysitted. I don't even know if that's the right word, but, yeah. I was just trying to look for it. Oh my gosh, my mom just texted me. So I'm actually just gonna have to end this video, and then I might just do a part 2. And yeah, bye guys.